Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, bringing you all the motivation and inspiration to try and help kickstart your day. This is your quote for today. You are what you do, not what you'll say you'll do. Actions will always speak louder than words. There are a lot of talkers out there. I'm going to do this. Watch me when I do that. Stop talking. Just get on with it. For a lot of people, if their success was measured by what came out of their mouths, damn, there would be millions and millions of successful people out there. Stop talking, start making things happen, and let those results be your noise.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.